I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Full View. To begin, simply log into your Fidelity account and navigate to the Full View section. This powerful tool allows you to aggregate all your financial accounts, both Fidelity and external, into one secure and convenient location. You can link accounts from over 10,000 different financial institutions, giving you a truly comprehensive overview of your entire financial picture. It's designed to simplify your financial management. Once you're in full view, linking your external accounts is straightforward. You can connect bank accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and even investment accounts from other institutions. Full View then automatically calculates your net worth by combining all your assets and liabilities. You'll see a clear, intuitive dashboard displaying your total net worth, and you can easily track its changes over time. This provides a holistic view of your financial health. Full View offers robust tools for budgeting and spending analysis. It automatically categorizes your transactions, making it simple to see where your money goes. You can also create custom budgets for different spending areas, like groceries or entertainment. The platform provides detailed charts and reports, helping you visualize your cash flow and identify opportunities to save. This insight empowers you to make smarter financial decisions every day. Beyond daily tracking, Full View helps you plan for the future by setting and monitoring financial goals. Whether you're saving for a down payment, a child's education, or retirement, you can track your progress with clear visual indicators. It also includes a secure document vault for important financial papers. Plus, you'll receive personalized insights and alerts, ensuring you stay informed and in control of your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.